Xcart.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Xcart.com, which is an e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online stores with ease. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates and features to suit various business needs. Xcart.com supports multiple payment gateways, integrates with popular third-party tools, and provides robust security measures to ensure a safe shopping experience for customers. Its scalable nature allows businesses of all sizes to leverage its services and grow their online presence efficiently. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So here, this is the main page of our platform, and here we have the solutions that this platform offers: build and customize an e-commerce store, grow aftermarket store online, open a multi-vendor store. And this is the services: 24/7 support, managed hosting, professional services, and so on. And here we have the pricing and the about us section and the blog section and the search button. And here we have if you want to schedule a demo. But before that, and before getting started, let's check the plans and the pricing. So here we have the platform plan, which is $200 a month, as you can see. And here we have the $14 a month plan, which is marketplace, and the automotive plan, which costs $500 a month. So let's see how we can open our store in this platform. So let's hit get started, and here we give them our first name, last name, brand name, email address, and a phone number, and then we will be able to schedule a demo. So I'm going to write my first name, last name, give it a brand name, and an email address, and a phone number, and then I'm going to schedule a demo with the platform. So this is the page, the thank you page. We'll get in touch with you shortly to discuss your project. So after submitting your demo, you wait and they will contact you for discussing your project. So let's scroll down to the bottom of the platform, as you can see, and here you can see the resources section, and by going down you will see the guide to how to sell online. So by clicking this, you can learn how you can sell online. So this is how to sell online, your all-in-one guide to selling products online, updated for 2021. So as you can see, this is a blog talking about how you can sell online, and this is some other table of contents, like how to find a product. So this is really helpful if you want to start learning to sell online or to learn e-commerce. How to find a product, how to sell a product, how to sell on Amazon. So I advise you guys to check these questions here, and you can learn a lot just by reading these questions. How to sell on eBay, how to sell on Etsy. So they have a lot of questions answered right in the platform. So let's scroll down again, scroll down to the bottom of the platform or the website. So here we're interested in seeing some case studies. So here are some case studies. If you are not sure if this is the right platform for you, you just need to read these case studies and see if they fit you or if you like them. So this is some case studies of the people that succeeded with Xcart. As you can see, you can read a lot of articles right here, and by scrolling down again, you can see the industry partners of the platform. So here, if you want to become a partner of the platform, you can just hit become a partner. If you want a job that enriches your life and not detracts from it, you hit become a partner and you give them your first name, last name, company name again, and your email address, and then you hit get in touch. So let's fill this information: first name, last name, company name, and the email address, and then let's hit get in touch. And this is the thank you page. Thank you for your request. Our manager will answer you shortly. So we'll find their message in our email about their answer if we can become a partner with this platform. So by scrolling down again, you go to the extras section, you can see the apps and the themes. So let's go with the themes. So here are the Swift responsive e-commerce graphic themes that the platform offers. So this is a free theme, and the other ones are paid themes. So everyone and its cost. As you can see, if you like a theme, you can just click it and will be able to browse through the theme. So let's click this one. Its name is multi-store. You can add it to your cart or you can add to your wish list. And this is our theme. You can see it from here. And it's for apparel and clothing, equipment and tools, jewelry and accessories, pets, t-shirts. So this is the description of the theme and the customer reviews and also the plans and pricing. So you can see they have three plans. The basic one, which is $200, you can install the theme and set it up to one banner, up to 4 additional images. And the second one offers you installation and setup, offers you 2 banners, 8 additional images, and basic icon changes. And the third plan offers you installation and setup, 3 banners, 12 additional images, icon changes, and background images changes. So this is the plans and pricing. So let's check the customer reviews. Let's see what the customer says about this theme. So we have 5 stars from this customer. Very nice template. I hope Xcard design team can develop it more. This other customer, 5 stars also. So let's hit read all reviews to see if the theme fits us or there is problems in it. So we have here those we already seen them. So that's all we have here. We have just 2 comments and 15 votes, as you can see right here. So we have 4 customers give it a 5 star, 11 customers gave it 4 stars. So I think it's a decent theme to use, and we will continue our browsing until we find the template that suits us. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.